Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you never heard of the Microsoft Learning, please be aware that Microsoft has excellent resources for you to learn, and a lot of time they will give you access to a lab environment where you can perform all the operations that you would do in a real life for free. You don't even need any storage, any user account or anything like that. What I'm doing in this particular video, I'm going to really focus, and I will in next few videos will go through some of the topics that they're covered in this particular series of topics that comes under the architect storage infrastructure in Azure. Okay, the first one, if you go and study this, you will see that this is mainly choose data storage approach in Azure is mainly a theory based, where you're going to learn how to classify your data, and you determine how to determine your needs, like what storage is right for you. Is it going to be the Azure storage, which contains your blobs, your file storage, which is traditional SMB file storage, good old file store, your table or queue. Okay, those four comes as a packaged item within this Azure storage. Now Azure SQL database and Azure Cosmos DB, they come stand alone and they are not part of the storage account. Okay, so you need to figure out whether you need SQL type database or a blob storage or no SQL, where you might be using Cosmos DB. Okay, so to begin with, this is the one that I'm going to cover very quickly. Creating an Azure storage account. Now this I have done other videos where I have done a very lengthy videos of it. If you click on this one, exercise 1, okay, it will give you actually a portal access where you can do and deploy your own storage account using a sandbox environment. So if you click on it, it will let you sign in and click on it. So let's just quickly deploy a storage account, and we're gonna use it for other purposes. So there are many ways to do it. You can click over here. From here you can do storage. Okay, here storage account shows up, so you click on it. So it's telling you here it's going to create a storage account, and Microsoft Azure provides scalable, durable cloud storage, backup and recovery solution for your data, big or small. It will work with the infrastructure you already have to cost effectively enhance your existing application and business continuity strategy, and provide the storage required by your cloud application. Okay, so just say create, and let's create a new resource group for that one. Lab, I'll call it lab storage. So this resource group, I'm gonna keep all the storage account we need for the lab. Let's try lab storage as our name. This name is not available, already taken, so 321 is what I want to add. Hopefully I'll have that available, and this green tick mark says this is unique globally, so we can use that. Let's deploy it in East US. Now this Azure regions, they just keep on increasing, so feel free to use this search bar so you can quickly get to the location you want. Performance, you can use premium or standard. Just remember, premium, it does not support some of the features, and it only supports, I think, the append. So I would recommend at this time, until the premium gives you all the support, stick with the standard one. And Microsoft recommends v2 type account storage, so I'm going to keep to that one, depending on your replication need. Now all those type of replication is not available in every single region. Okay, the most common ones are the locally redundant storage, then geo redundant storage, and read access geo redundant storage. Okay, these are a lot more options available in some of the region that are not available maybe in other locations. Okay, for this one, locally redundant storage is good. We just want 3 copies within a data center. Okay, access tier, it's setting what is the default access tier for any files or blobs, whatever you create inside this. By default they will be marked as hot, but that doesn't mean that you can change it. You can change this access tier for any single file within the account that we're going to create. Networking, we want this account to be available from everywhere. We're going to select the public endpoint. Routing, we're going to use the Microsoft network routing, so that Microsoft already has a low latency network, so we're going to use and leverage their network. For the data protection, if you like, you can enable blob soft delete or file share. We're going to keep it disabled for now. From advanced, you can enable secure transfer. If you enable that, you may have some problem like mounting a file share, especially if you're using Ubuntu system or something where you do not have support for SMB 3.0, but should make your judgment. TLS, for backward compatibility, it can support 1 and 1.1, but I highly recommend that you use 1.2. Large file share, keep it disabled. Data leaks storage Gen 2, keep it disabled. Go to tags, I don't need any tags. And over here, this view is going to give you a brief view what you have asked to enable, and just hit create, and it is going to create the storage account for you. So let's quickly see where we are. Okay, we were somewhere here. We were here. Sorry. So in this one, pretty much we have completed everything that you would be doing in this particular lab. And again, read some of that stuff, pay attention. As I mentioned, standard versus premium. The premium only supports the page blob, as I said, so make sure that you understand what is your requirement. Okay, everything else we have done just fine. So that's about it. So you have a storage account and you have completed this particular section. Okay, now let's check all of that. Okay, so what we'll do next is we'll go to the next assessment, next section of the storage account, and we'll continue working with the storage account. There are lots of things that you should be doing. So welcome, or I'm inviting you to the next video where we're going to continue working with the storage. Thank you for watching this one. Create some account, have fun, look at it, and make sure that you completely understand. And there we go, our deployment is also done. View every single blade and see what it can do for you. This video I'm trying to keep it short, so I'm not going to go over anything else, but there are other videos. If you like, watch it. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck.